In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. If you're looking to transform your WordPress site into a fully functional online store, WooCommerce is one of the best tools available. It's powerful, flexible, and widely used by businesses of all sizes. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or even offering services, WooCommerce provides all the features you need to customize your store and start selling online. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can get started effortlessly even if you're new to WordPress. So let's dive right in and get your online store up and running. First, we'll begin by navigating to the WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where you manage everything from your site's appearance to its functionality. Once you're on the dashboard, look over at the left-hand menu, hover your mouse over the section labeled Plugins, and when the options expand, go ahead and click on Add New. This is where you can search for and install new tools to enhance your website's functionality. Now that you're on the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar in the top right corner labeled Search Plugins. Click into that field and type in WooCommerce. WordPress will search its plugin repository and display the results below. What you're looking for is the official WooCommerce plugin developed by Automatic. It should be the first result, and you'll recognize it by its logo, which is purple and says Woo. Once you've found it, click the blue Install Now button right next to the plugin name. The installation process will take a moment, so give it a few seconds to complete. Once the Install Now button changes to Activate, go ahead and click Activate. This is an important step, because installing the plugin simply adds it to your site, but activating it is what brings it to life and allows you to start using its features. After activating WooCommerce, you'll be redirected to the Welcome to WooCommerce page. This is where you can start setting up your store. You'll notice a big button that says Set Up My Store. If you're ready to dive into the setup process, click that button. If you'd rather explore the plugin on your own for now, you can also choose to skip the guided setup. But for the purposes of this tutorial, let's assume you're ready to set up your store. The Setup Wizard will guide you through a series of steps to help tailor WooCommerce to your business needs. The first thing it will ask is what type of business you have. You can select the option that best describes your store, whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or something else entirely, or you can skip this step if you're unsure. Next, you'll need to enter some basic information about your store. This includes the name of your store, the type of products you plan to sell, and your location. Fill in these details and click Continue. Don't worry if you don't have all the answers yet. You can always go back and update this information later. You might then land on a page called Get a Boost with our free features. Here, WooCommerce will recommend several features to enhance your store, like payment gateways or marketing tools. Take a moment to review these options. If there are any features you know you don't need, you can deselect them here. Once you've made your choices, click Continue. If you're not ready to decide, you can also click Skip this step. At some point, you may see a prompt to connect to Jetpack AI, which is another tool by the makers of WooCommerce. You can either connect your account if you think you'll use Jetpack's features, or simply click No Thanks to move forward. Once the setup process is complete, WooCommerce will redirect you back to the WordPress dashboard. Congratulations! Your WooCommerce plugin is now installed and ready to go. From here, you can start adding products to your store, customizing its design, and exploring all the features WooCommerce has to offer. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up WooCommerce on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.